Okay. So, hello viewers, my name is Jumper, owner of Jumper and Cool Computer Scientist YouTube channel. Today we look at the last ever cs4e, kind of maybe. What time is it? It is currently, we'll call it x56 PM, so I've got a good 4 minutes. And I didn't have time to play it on now 3 minutes. This is fantastic. So essentially, cs4e has been a bit crazy this year. Didn't get its feet off the ground until like 2/3 of the way into the year. Am I on the frame at all? I might be, might not be. I don't really care either way. Didn't really get its feet off the ground for a while because coronavirus happened. And there's been like 10, 11 okay sessions, but it's kind of crazy. I always thought it'd sort of be an introduction and kind of like, this is computer science, but we arrive now at the last ever session, and yeah, only got 3 minutes to sort of do that. Yeah, I can't believe we haven't done this. So I guess I haven't been able to plan it either because things have been crazy, so I'm just recording it every 3 minutes. Let's go. So essentially I kind of want to just look at what is computer science. Quite a fundamental question. It's quite funny we didn't do it in cs4e. Basically, to get people into coding even a bit, what did we do? Then we talked about Python a lot. I actually talked about virtual memory, funnily enough, which seems really technical and the kind of thing you wouldn't do in just like a general computer science outreach club. But we did that. It was pretty sick, and they liked it. Because essentially they were just asking about virtual memory. I don't know how we ended up talking about virtual memory. Beats me too, man. Okay. What else was there to say? Oh yeah, we I tried to convince someone to just write. Yes. I was meant to be an SFAB, but there were loads of people here, so I thought I'd just use her if that's okay.
Absolutely, use
Great.
it.
So yeah, they managed to get someone doing a Hello World program, so that's pretty fun. And even that, they were like, no, I'm not doing that. Even though it was like the tedious bit of code ever, and you'd have something running that, hey, these things happen. What else did we do? I think that was it. I mean, I tested out some stuff with a friend of mine. It's pretty sick, actually. I'll put a link to the description about what that was. But yeah, so I'm running out of time rapidly. So I guess I kind of want to look at as well as maths and computer science connecting because I thought it'd be fun. The key thing that sort of people talk about sitting in the middle is what's called decision or discrete maths. I like to call it decision because it's easier to pronounce as far as I'm concerned. Essentially, this is kind of one of the main things I've sort of spoke about before is graphs. I like graphs. People know I like graphs if you're on this channel. And what else is there? I guess I should look at the areas of computer science. So I haven't got enough time to make sure these are an exhaustive list, but to get an idea of what kind of stuff goes on here. We've got like electrical engineering, so this is like engineering wires and stuff, and electron flow to do whatnot. What else is there? I'm completely having my mind blank. Programming. Programming's fun. Programming's cool because not only can you like get a computer and start coding, but you can also sort of think about programming without a computer in terms of thinking about what's computable. And I'm running out of time. 0 minutes left, guys. What is computable? And sort of turning it into a list of instructions that you can use, sort of put into a computer if you have one. But even if you don't have one, you can still do programming. And the final thing, and then I'm done, is the geographical. I like to call this basically there's this area of computer science that's essentially just geography. Like I swear, called like the geographical implications of computer science. So this is like the implications of all the computers we're building, all the implications of the energy we're using to have like web servers up so you can have websites. Like when you have your website, like when you load Google or you search something on Google, it sort of feels like it's up in the air, but it has to be stored on something. So in terms of electricity bills and having it online 24/7, kind of comes into here. Alright, that was not bad considering I had 4 minutes no plan. Alright, that's it from me. Yeah, bye.